Ulcer. This picture you are seeing is a typical picture of ulcer. This is what happens when you have ulcer in your tummy. This picture has gotten from endoscopy unit. So now let's discuss ulcer. Ulcer is a disease that occurs as a result of imbalance between the gastric juice, which contain acid and various enzymes, and the stomach wall, which secrete mucus. So when there is an imbalance between the gastric juice and the mucus lining the mucous membrane, that is how ulcer occurs. Now when acid touches your body, it quells or it erodes your body. That's how gastric juice is doing to our body. So now what are the causes? There are various causes of ulcer, ranging from bacteria, ranging from consumption of alcohol, taking cigarette smoking, taking caffeine, taking insect drugs like aspirin and other insect medication. So these are the common causes of ulcer. Then how can you now, what are the signs and symptoms of ulcer? One can be complaining of chest pain, epigastric pain. One can be complaining of stomach pain, loss of weight, loss of appetite, emaciation, that is, loss of weight, loss of appetite, and pains sometimes radiate to back. So these are the common signs and symptoms of ulcer. Then how can you prevent yourself from ulcer? To prevent yourself from getting ulcer, you should observe the following. 1. If you are taking alcohol, you should stop taking it. Otherwise, you come out with ulcer or liver diseases. Or if you are not taking it at all, you should not take it at all. That is the first part. The second part is you stop taking insect drugs like ibuprofen, aspirin, and all these drugs, peri-living drugs, except if you are being prescribed by the physicians, and that demands that goes with along with conditions. Now, that is the second part. The third part is whenever you feel like having urge to eat, you should eat. You should not leave yourself, or should not live with an empty stomach, because living out an empty stomach, the gastric juice has been secreted by the stomach, and when the gastric juice comes out without seeing something that would neutralize it, is going to erode your stomach. So you should you should be eating, even not that much. You should have to at least have something in your tummy in order to counteract the effect of the gastric juice. That is the third part. Third part. The last part is you should treat, like some of the diseases, like you should treat H. pylori. When you are positive H. pylori, try to treat it, because when H. pylori is positive and you didn't treat it, it can erode your tummy, it can erode your stomach. So these are the ways in which one can prevent himself from getting ulcer. Now, as I said, this picture you are seeing on the screen is a typical sign. It's a typical sign of ulcer. So it's not easy to get an ulcer. More than 85 to 90% of people complain of ulcer. It's not really ulcer, it's something else. For you to get an ulcer, you must abuse drugs, you must abuse hard drugs like alcohol and others. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nosadi TV channel. It's a channel that has to do with the health and hair related issues. Remember to share this video and to give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, irrespective of the number of subscribers I have.